take a look at the vast range of cars from RiiRoo. Whoever has the pleasure in playing with our Mercedes Benz X-Class pickup ride-on car is in for a lot of fun. This is the first pickup that Mercedes built, which makes this an absolute classic. With a mega 24-volt battery, this isn't your normal run-of-the-mill 12-volt car. This one packs a lot of punch and oozes quality. It's suitable for children of up to 8 years of age or up to 128 cm in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, startup engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, functioning horn, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you haven't subscribed to us yet, help out the channel by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the bell to receive notifications.
Let's take a look at the premium features. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. The 2- and 4-wheel drive switch allows the power to be restricted to the motors. The transport handle allows you to easily move the ride-on from place to place. The integrated storage compartment allows your child to take their belongings with them on their adventure. The 2x12-volt batteries means the car will last longer. The Bluetooth connectivity features allows you to connect a phone or tablet to play music. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at riiroosquad.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.